Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is just a little random day on the farm in Jamaica where we try to cook something on the farm, guys. So, as you can see, I am now cutting up some chicken, guys. So, I'm going to be currying some chicken, okay? And I just want to show you how I curried up some chicken outside. It's life on the grid, guys, in Jamaica. So you're not in a normal kitchen where you've got everything laid out and ready to do the cooking. So you're gonna have to work with what you've got. So now I'm stripping off the skin off the chicken, guys, and I'm cutting the chicken for it to be seasoned. Okay, guys? Yeah, man. So chop up the chicken with me. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your host for this video, guys. Guys, look, I'm improvising, okay? I'm on the farm. I'm doing outdoor cooking today, okay? But anyway, guys, welcome back to another video. If you're here and you're new, please like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Guys, I am going to be washing off the chicken. I'm using some vinegar to wash the chicken, yeah. Guys, I've already washed the chicken. So now I'm just going to season up the chicken, guys. Okay, so I've already put some chicken season. Oh God! Oh, the black pepper got away from me. Oh my God! So what am I gonna do? Okay, so I'm just gonna remove a little bit of it, guys. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to have a lot of black pepper on my chicken. Oh my God! So I just stir up. I'm sort of seasoning the chicken right now. And yes, guys. So I added a little bit more chicken season to it. And yes, guys, it's nearly ready to put on the fire. So, guys, as you know, we're in the bush. So it's outdoor. We're on the farm, guys. So it's an outdoor thing where we have to make up the fire. So that's us right there. So guys, I decided to use this pot here to cook the chicken. So now I'm putting the oil in the pot. But as I look at the pot, guys, I'm thinking that maybe I need to change it. Okay, so we're contemplating of changing the pot because for me, I like to cook the curry chicken in like into a deeper pot. So I feel like this frying pan thing ain't gonna work. But we're contemplating what to do. Okay. So as you can see the smoke, guys. So now Jay is took the pot off, and guys, I'm using this pot. Okay, I feel happier using this pot. So that's what we're gonna do now. So I'm at here, Jay, now pouring back the oil into this pot now, guys. So yeah, we're ready to rock and ready to roll. I am Now I'm gonna get the curry because as you can see, I didn't put any curry on the chicken when I was seasoning it because I don't like to season the curry on the chicken. I prefer to burn the curry, and that's how I like my curry. Okay. So I don't know how you cook your curry. You can feel free to comment if you season your chicken with some of the curry, or do you burn the curry like myself. So right at this moment, I am actually putting some curry in the hot oil to burn the curry. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Okay. So yes, guys, I'm adding the curry to the hot oil. And now adding more curry, guys. And this is the better part curry, guys. You see how pretty it looks in the pot? Yes, guys. So I'm going to be adding my chicken to the fire. Okay. Wow, what's going on here? You can see the trees. All right, guys. Anyway, guys, that's the chicken. Now I'm gonna be adding the chicken to the pot. Okay, guys, I could have turned over the bowl into the pot, but I didn't want the oil to splash up and then the fire blow up on me. So I use a spoon and I add it to the pot, the hot oil, one by one, one by one. So now I'm stirring up the chicken, guys, and the smoke is really, 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 really giving, you know. But guys, don't you know that the smoke gave it a nice little taste? Yes, guys, the smoke really gave the cooking a nice little taste. And guys, this is cooking outdoor on the grid right here in Jamaica, guys. So it's very nice and authentic, okay? And this is really the traditional way that I grew up, okay? We used to cook on the wood fire and it was amazing. We really get some beautiful hot meal using the wood fire and the outdoor, okay? So yes, guys. Right now, guys, you can see how beautiful the chicken looks in the pot, okay? Yeah, give it a little stir. I didn't use a lot of oil, guys, because I'm cutting down on the oil, so didn't use a lot of oil. But it's, guys, do you want to smell this? It smells so, so good. Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing smell. Oh my gosh. I'm at the outdoor, guys, and guess what? I have to improvise. Now I need to get some water. So we did brought up some water, guys, in our jug. So we don't have any top water in our jug, yeah. So I just need to get some water to add to the curry chicken, guys, okay? To the chicken in the pot, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Life on the farm, outdoor cooking on the grid, guys, yeah? So this is what happened on E&J Lifestyle Farm. So guys, stay tuned. Watch E&J Lifestyle Farm while we do the work. Oh no, watch the video. All you guys gotta do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I just collected some water and I need to get the water into the pot, okay? So, as if you've reached this far watching the video, have you hit the subscribe button? Have you hit the thumbs up? What are you waiting for? Come on, guys. Now look how pretty. Look at this. Oh my God, it smells so, so good. Ah, guys, I feel like I want to eat it like this. But no, it has to cook down. So I'm going to have to pour the water on it and season this and let it cook before I can eat it, guys. So this is how I cook the curry chicken on the grid right here in Jamaica. Now I'm pouring the water on, guys, and I'm gonna use the bowl as the lid. So this is cooking on the grid right here on E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work. Only watch the video, okay, guys? So come on, remember to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work. Only watch the video. All you guys gotta do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and watch the video to the end and watch the process of how we cook on the grid curry chicken right here on the farm in Jamaica, okay? So guys, when you cook it on the grid, you have to just go on with the flow. So right now, I'm going to try to check on the curry chicken, guys. Look at that. That is so amazing. Look how beautiful the curry looks. Remember, guys, I didn't season the chicken with the curry. I burnt it and then I put my chicken inside of the hot oil and look at the color. It is so beautiful. This outdoor cooking, it tastes so amazing and it smells amazing, okay? Now I'm adding some country pepper and garlic to my cooking. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna stir it up now. Give it a little stir, give it a little stir, guys. This garlic and pepper together with the smell of this curry, it's giving. It's really giving delicious. Guys, you know, have to come on down to E&J Lifestyle Farm, you know. Come on and visit us, guys, because this curry chicken, this outdoor style curry chicken, it's really, really, really popping. And the smell, it smells so, so good. Anyway, guys, you know I'm cooking on the grid and we get the spring onion from the farm. It's called scallion in Jamaica. We got this from the farm and I'm cutting up this scallion and I'm putting in the pot. And guys, the smell again mixed with the country style pepper and the garlic and the curry. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Guys, let's give this a little stir, okay? Let's give this a little stir. Wow, it is. It smells so, so good. Oh my days. And look how beautiful the curry looks, okay? Guys, at this present moment, I didn't have any potato to put in my curry chicken, so I improvised on the farm and we found chocho. I don't know if you guys know chocho. In Jamaica, this is chocho, guys. So I'm going to be using one chocho today in my country style curry chicken. So, guys, this is life on the grid in Jamaica. Cooking curry chicken right here in Jamaica on the outdoors. And I'm going to peel this chocho, guys. And I'll be putting this in my curry chicken. And guys, you can use chocho in the curry chicken if you don't have potato or if you don't want to use carrots, okay? I personally don't use carrots in my curry chicken, but to get a little, so the gravy can be, you know, boost up the gravy, you can use sweet potato or you can use the chocho, okay? So me today, we didn't have any chocho potato, so we're using the chocho, guys. And guys, do not throw away the inside of the chocho, guys. All right, that bit there is the heart, and it is very, very nice. It has a different little taste and texture, so I love it. I really, really love it. So I make sure that I kept it in my cooking. So guys, all you need to do is cut up your chocho into small chunks and then you can add that to your cooking. You can use this also in brown stew chicken, not only in curry. You can use it in brown stew chicken, stew beef, anything that you're stewing. Yeah, you can use chocho in it. It's very nice inside of your meat. Okay, so now I'm cutting up my chocho into small chunks. Yeah, cut them up into small chunks, guys. Chocha is very nice, guys. You can cook it and eat it like how you eat yam and banana and cocoa. And you can also put your chocha inside of your meat and it tastes so, so good. Guys, look at that. Just look at that. Yeah. Inside you go. And yes, guys, that is it. So we give it a stir and then we're going to leave this to boil as desired. And when the chocha is cooked and everything, then we can turn this off and your curry chicken is ready. You can serve this curry chicken with yam, dumpling, banana, cocoa, roast breadfruit, white rice, rice and peas, turned cornmeal, anything of your choice. Okay, so that is what you can choose to serve it with. You can eat it with bread, you can eat it with bami, you can eat it with whatever your choice you choose. Okay, but guys, I'm trying to make the fire up and put the fire underneath this. So look, I'm using a plate to blow in the fire so that it can keep cooking. Okay, so guys, this is life in Jamaica on the farm, cooking on the grid outdoor in Jamaica. Country style curry chicken. And this is how we do it on the E&J Lifestyle Farm. So if you are here watching this video, have you hit the subscribe button? Have you hit the love button? Like the video, leave your comment, share this video, guys, with your friends and your family, and invite them to like our and subscribe to our channel, guys. Oh my god, the fire is getting very high here. Oh my gosh, the fire is getting very high. So we're gonna have to move away some of this fire because I don't want it to burn my chicken. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Fun.